And a very good morning, everyone. Jeremy here, quantstrategic.com.sg with a market recap for the trading week ending the 7th of May 2021. And the STI has closed at 3,200 points. And the highlight of the week is that it is undergoing a slight profit taking on the day charts, and I'll get to that very soon. Start off with the monthly charts, and on the monthly charts, the bullish brick, on the 1st of March 2021, targeting 3406 is still very much on track. And although we have closed at 3,200, the month of May is still playing out, and we'll see how the chart will develop as we move along in the long-term basis. In the weekly charts, you can see that the long signal at 2693 on the 7th of November last year, targeting 3406, is still on track to reach its target. And on the weekly basis, you can see that the Tenkan line at 3095 is still holding, all right, and served as a support before it actually bounced on a weekly basis last week. The pivot to watch for, if there's any break in the short-term trend, like the day or the 4-hourly charts, would be at 3024. So if there's any correction on a weekly basis, on a medium-term basis, a break of 3095 would test 3024, and if the bullish uptrend maintains, it will bounce back up and then resume its uptrend as per the monthly and the weekly charts. So 3024 is a level to watch for. What I would like to bring to your attention is the daily chart on the STI, which I think most of you will be using for your trading purposes. So as you can see, the story on the daily charts is that you have seen that the STI has hit a low at 2206 during the pandemic, formed a big rebound at 2843, which is almost 60% of the drop, and then dropped again to about 2400, where we had our first long signal at 2506, targeting 3108, and it reached its target somewhere in January this year. Then there was a short signal at 2987, targeting 2780 then on the 28th of January. After which the STI managed to continue its uptrend at a level of 2964 on the 25th of February 2021, targeting its current target at 3406. And currently, that level has yet to be reached, but we are now seeing a bit of a pullback and a profit taking. So the recent short signal was issued at 3158 on the 5th of May last week, and the initial target will be at 3024, which is the weekly pivot support. And the only way that we can break out of this short-term correction and profit taking is a break of the pivot at 3232. A break of the pivot at 3232 will continue on our march to 3406. Otherwise, if we maintain this downtrend, we'll target 3024 on a weekly pivot, and we will see how it develops as the next trading week comes out into play on Monday. So zooming into the 4-hourly charts, a short signal was issued on the 4-hourly charts on the 3rd of May 2021, targeting 3024, and currently there's an overhead resistance at 3208. The STI did manage to, though it gapped down, still managed to pull back up and approach this level at 3208. So on a short-term basis, on a 4-hourly chart, we have to break 3208 before we break the monthly pivot, or rather the daily pivot on the shorter term charts. Otherwise, we might see some weakness in the near term. As you can see, It is sort of trading in this particular range over the past couple of days, and we want to see the Straits Times Index give a little bit of clearer direction as we head on to the end of May. So to sum up the discussion on the STI, you'll notice that the STI is struggling a little bit to break out of this Ichimoku cloud SSSA line. All right, and usually when price action is within this particular cloud area, there will be a little bit of range and erratic trading until we break clear of this Ichimoku cloud, which is above the 3,200 level. We might be able to hit 3406. Otherwise, the Straits Times Index is still pretty strong with the uptrend move in the monthly charts, on the weekly charts as well. Just a little bit of correction on the daily chart, and it's still above the Ichimoku cloud. So this is still considered a short-term pullback, profit taking until we are able to break below the daily cloud. Then we might see a test of the pivot at 3024, and the monthly charts will tell to see whether we'll be able to break above the cloud and hit 3406. All right, hope you find this video informational, and please remember to click on subscribe and like if you find the videos meaningful, and watch out for my next video on the S&P 500. Have a great weekend.